Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is exercise 6.2, sorry, 5.2. Exercise 5.2. So, what are the functions? 5.2 is 5.2 is differentiate. So, differentiate the function with respect to x in exercise 1 to 8. So, first exercise is sine x square plus 5. So differentiation means what? So with respect to x means this function is a y is equal to sine x square plus 5, right? So function is y is equal to sine x square plus 5, and so differentiation with respect to x. So differentiation with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to dy d by dx. So sine of x square plus 5. So dy by dx is equal to, so dy by dx. Here differentiation of what? So here is differentiation of sin x is, so cos x, right? Differentiation of sine, this term is x, so consider as a x. X means what? Sin x derivative is cos of what? X means we consider x square plus 5. Again differentiation of what? X. Here is x means x square plus 5. So dy by dx sin cos, so x square plus 5. So derivative of x square plus 5 and x square. So derivative of x to the power of n is equal to what? N into x to the power of n minus 1. Here n is equal to how much? So 2. So you can write 2x to the power of 2n minus 1 plus constant derivative is 0. So cos x square plus 5 into 2 x to the power of 2 minus 1 means 1. So this is your answer. So dy by dx. So next question is cos into sine of x. So cos into what? Sine x. So y is equal to cos into sine x. Y is equal to what? Cos into sin x. So derivative of what? So differentiation. Again differentiation with respect to x. So d by dx into y, d by dx. So cos into sin of x. So derivative of here, right? So derivative of cos x derivative is what? So cos x derivative is minus sin x. So right, here is cos. So x is considered as a sin x. Means cos derivative is minus sin. X means sin x. So again derivative of what? Again derivative of x. X means what? So sin x. So minus sin x, sin into sin x. So sin x derivative is what? Here already right. Sin x derivative is what? Cos x into cos x means minus cos x into sin into, so sin of x. This is a dy by dx. So this is answer. So next question is sin ax plus b. So next question is sin ax plus b. Y is equal to sin ax plus b. So differentiation with respect to what? X. So d by dx into y, d by dx. So x sine of ax plus b. So here dy by dx as it is. So dx by dx, dy by dx as it is. Now remaining is, so sine derivative is sine x. This is considered as a x. Sine x derivative is equal to how much? Cos x. So cos of ax plus b. Again derivative of what? So ax plus b. So cos ax plus b. So derivative of d divided by dx into ax, again d divided by dx into b. So separately apply, the just separate apply. So cos ax plus b, cos ax plus b into, so a as it is, So this means this can be written as a by ax can be written as a constant as it is, dx divided by dx means dx get cancelled, remaining is 1. You can write. So constant derivative b is constant 0. This answer is a into cos of ax plus b. So this is dy by dx. So third question enough. Fourth question is what? Sec into tan into under root of x. So y is equal to sec tan under root of x. So sec, again here is, so differentiation with respect to x. Differentiation with respect to x means d by dx into y. Again d by dx into sec into tan into under root of x. So here we write differentiation of, so sec x is equal to what? Sec x differentiation is sec x into tan x, right? So dy by dx, so dy divided by dx is equal to sec derivative is what? Sec x into tan x. Sec x means what? Tan root x. This is whole term is x consider. Next is, so tan x, tan into tan of, so root of x. So again derivative of what? So tan root x, again derivative of tan root x. So sec tan root x, sec tan root x, root x. So take sec tan root x, again tan root x as it is. So sec derivative is what? Here we write, here is formula. So differentiation of tan x derivative is what? Sec square x, right? So tan x derivative is into tan x derivative is root tan root x. Tan root x means sec square root x. Again derivative of what? Root x. So sec tan root x, again tan root x into sec square root x. Root x derivative is here, right? So root x derivative is what? Root x derivative is 1 divided by, oh sorry, root x derivative is what? 1 divided by 2 root x. So root x, where is here? Root x derivative is what? 1 divided by 2 root x. X derivative is 1. So dy by dx is equal to, answer is what? So answer is sec tan root x, again tan root x into sec square root x into 1 by 2 root x into 1. So this is your dy by dx. So fifth question is sin ax plus b divided by cos cx plus d. So sin ax plus b divided by sin cos cx plus d. Y is equal to sin ax plus b divided by cos cx plus d. So differentiation with respect to x. So d by dx is equal to d by dx into sin of ax plus b into cos of cx plus d. So here is one formula we apply. What formula? d by dv into quotient rule. This is a divide formula. Divide not we call a divide formula. This is called a quotient rule. Quotient rule means this is a first function, this is a second function. So denominator as it is, second function as it is, derivative of first function minus first function as it is, derivative of second function. This is numerator, this is a denominator. So into dv by dx whole divided by denominator of whole square. Here is first function, this is second function, this is you write dy by dx is equal to, so first function first is, so u is sin ax plus d, v is sin, u is sin ax plus b, v is cos cx plus d. V means cos cx plus d, derivative of numerator is sin ax plus b minus sin ax plus b, derivative of cos cx plus d whole divided by cos cx plus d whole square. So this is, so here is, so here is cos cx plus d as it is. So already you know sin derivative is how much? Sin derivative is cos into cos ax plus b. Again ax plus b derivative you know, ax plus d derivative you don't know, this you write this type, ax plus b, right, minus sin ax plus b as it is, right. Again derivative of cos derivative is what? Minus of sin into minus of sin is cx plus d. Again derivative of what? Cx plus d whole divided by v square. V square means what? Cos of cx plus d whole square. So dy by dx is equal to cos into cx plus d, again cos into ax plus b. Ax plus b already you know here derivatives, that's why ax plus b derivative is directly we write a, because already we know a is outside taking common, dx get cancelled, that's why a into 1, b constant is 0, minus of sin of ax plus b into, so minus can be right plus, right, sin of cx plus d. Again cx plus d derivative is c whole divided by what? Cos of cx plus d into whole square. So this is your answer. So fourth one, fifth one enough. Next is fourth one, sixth one. So cos x cube into sin square into x to the power of 5. So sin x to the power of 5, y is equal to cos x cube into sin square into x to the power of 5. So u into v functions. So now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to d by dx into cos of x cube, again sin square of x to the power of 5. So product rule, this is a two functions, one is cos x cube, another one is sin. Cos and sin x cos x means product function. Product formula is, so product formula is u into derivative of v function plus v into derivative of u function, or v into derivative of u function plus u into derivative of v function. Means first function, one consider as a first function, one is first function, another one is a second function. So you take any one first function, you take any one, but one is as it is, first two functions you take, one keep as it is, one derivative, again which derivative keep as it is, so keep as it is, now which keep derivative, that keep function that derivative. Here is you take cos of x cube, so derivative of sine square into x to the power of 5 plus sine square x to the power of 5 into derivative of cos of x cube. This is a first function, this is a second function, this is considered as u, this is considered as v. You take your choose any one function u, any one function v. So cos x cube, so here is cos x cube as it is. Already you know sine to the power of 2 means a sine to the power of 2 means x to the power of 2 considerable. So x to the power of 2 derivative is what? 2x. Already we know, you know which function? First one function. First question, x square derivative is what? 2. 2 sine to the power of 2x, 2 minus 1 means x square derivative is 2x. Here is sine square derivative is 2 sine x. X means what? X to the power of 5. Again derivative of what? In power base. Power is enough. Next is derivative of power base. Sine x to the power of 5 plus cos sine for 2 x to the power of 5. So cos x cube, here is cos x cube, right? So here is what? Cos x cube. So cos derivative is what? Minus sine of x cube. Again derivative of what? X cube. Again derivative of what? X cube. Cos x cube into 2 sine x to the power of 5. Sine derivative is what? Already you know which problem. So first problem, third problem, again fifth one problem. Already you know. So sine derivative is what? Cos of x to the power of 5. So again derivative of what? X to the power of 5 plus 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 sine square x to the power of 5 minus sine x cube into, so x cube derivative is, so already you know dx x to the power of n means n into x to the power of n minus 1, so 3 into x to the power of 2, right? Right. So next is cos x cube 2 sine x to the power of 5 into cos x to the power of 5. You know x to the power of 5 derivative is, here is n considered as a 5. 5 x to the power of n minus 1 means 4. You write 5 x to the power of 4 enough plus, right? Again x derivative is 1, enough. Sine square x to the power of 5. So plus into minus, you can write here minus symbol, right? Plus into minus, minus, minus. So sine into sine x cube into 3x square. So this is your answer, dy by dx. So answer is cos x cube into 2 sine x to the power of 5 cos x to the power of 5, again 5x to the power of 4 minus sine square x to the power of 5 sine x cube 3x square. You write here this time 2 into 5 10, right? 10 into x to the power of what? 4 cos x to the power of 3 sine x to the power of 5, again cos x to the power of 5, again minus, so minus sine square, so 3 here, right? 3, so 3 into sine x to the power of 5, again sine x to the power of 3 into x square. So this is your answer. So seventh one is what? 2 into under root of cot x square. 2 into under root cos x square. So y is equal to 2 into quarter cot. So cot x square. So now differentiation. Now differentiation. So here is 2 root cot x into x square. So 2 root cot x square into, already you know which problem is fourth one problem, root x derivative. You know root x. Now derivative with respect to x, divide by dx is equal to dy constant, divide by d by 2 under root cot x into x square. So 2 is outside taken, dy dx into under root cot of, so x square. So don't galti mistake mat karna. So don't do mistake. So square and root get cancel nahi karna because this is a angle. That's why not cancel. So already you know fifth fourth one problem root x derivatives. Root x derivative is what? So d by dx into root x derivative is 1 divided by 2 root x. So 2 as it is. Root x derivative is 1 by 2. Root x means what? Consider here cot into x square. Again derivative of what? Inside the root. Inside the root means cot of x square. So 2 get cancelled. So 1 divided by cot x square. So derivative of divided by dx into cot of x. Cot x derivative is what? Cot x derivative is minus of cos x square of x. So cot is equal to minus of cos x square of x. Again derivative of what? So x square. So minus cos x square x divided by cot of x square into, so x square derivative, you know x square derivative is 2 into x. So dy divided by dx is equal to minus 2 into x into cos x square, cosec of cosec square, cosec square, cot x is cosec square, again x square is as it is divided by under root of cot of x square. So this is your answer. So eighth question is cos of under root of x. So cos into under root of x. So now differentiation with respect to x. So dy divided by dx is equal to d divided by dx into cos of root x. So dy divided by dx cos. So cos derivative is already second question. Cos derivative is what? Minus of sine under root x because x considered as root x. So next is root again derivative of so root x. So minus under root x as it is sine derivative root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. So x derivative is 1 means minus sine root x divided by 2 root x. This root is not cancelled because that is angle. So thank you for watching. Bye.